Hello everybody, this is Bhavani, ALP astrologer. Yet another topic, interesting topic for today is health. Health related, particularly in specific, I am going to discuss about female reproductive organ, that is uterus. So how it is being affected by various factors. Nowadays our lifestyle has changed a lot. Our food habits changed, our sleeping patterns, not in a particular pattern itself, it is going here and there, all zigzag patterns in our sleeps. And food, it is mostly fast foods or having a very specific influence, very major influence in our lifestyle. And all are very catchy and attracting, very spicy, tasty. So we can't even say no to it. Like that it is going on. But what we have to concern more is, you can have once in a while, you can enjoy every foods, everything. But when health is lost, everything is lost. In particular, ladies nowadays are handling so many issues, like they are handling family, they are doing their daily household chores, and they are going to work daily. Work pressure is there, family pressure is there. They have to take care of their children, dropping them there in their school, picking them up, doing their homeworks, doing their projects nowadays. Everything is dealt by the woman in the family, the mother, right? And they are facing so many issues. They are not eating at right time, they are not sleeping at right time because of too much exposure to stress and all these things. They are affecting so much. Many of them women are having this uterus related problems, PCODs, PCOS, fibroids. Many of them are removing uterus in a very young age itself, because once you remove uterus, then you have to face a long way to go, and your health becomes very deteriorating. We have doctors for everything, and they are suggesting some remedies and all that. But apart from that, one thing you can all do is, we cannot do MBBS in one day or in a 1 month, right? We cannot do MD, or we cannot do a specialization in gynecology, but you all can learn ALP astrology. So in 1 month duration, if you learn this ALP astrology, you know what are all the body parts that is being affected in my horoscope, and whether it is in a very serious condition, or it can be cured with some mild medications and all that. You can just learn through this 1 month course itself. So such an easy way to take care of our own health, whether am I healthy, or how long I am going to face this issue in my body. All these things can be dealt with it. Once, if your planetary positions are good, then you can automatically regain your health or in a few days. But to know that, everyone should learn this ALP astrology or consult ALP astrologers before taking any serious decisions in your health, like removing your uterus or removing your ovaries. It is there in some of the horoscopes. You have to remove that because of serious conditions, like any cancerous tissues are there and it is being spread to other organs. Some serious issues are there. But for that cases, you definitely have to remove it. But that also will be shown in your horoscope. You can see whether it is really cancerous cells in yours, or it is benign tumors which is not at all dangerous. It is being there. And fibroids, so even for fibroids, they are removing uterus. All these can be curable according to your horoscope. If you see that, it will be showing. We used to see uterus as the body part that belongs to 8th house from ALP Lagna. Whichever ALP Lagna you are going through, your 8th house stands for uterus. And if your 8th house Lord is in the 6th house, then you can just treat it with mild medication itself, it will be cured. But even in that cases, many are removing their uterus without unknowingly. So please try to learn at least ALP astrology, or else you consult an ALP astrologer before going for some serious surgeries and removing any of your body parts. It is highly recommended. Take care of your health, be healthy, take care of your stress, which is a very common factor in all the cases. Health is very important, more than money, right? Thank you.